HVAC people! Alright, HVAC people. So today's video is going to be sponsored by a new company called TOPTES. TOPTES had gave me a couple of these gas leak detectors to do a review on my channel. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this new product on their line. I am a fan of little small tools, little pocket handheld tools. I kind of like keep this Klein electrical leak detector. It's one of my go-tos. I like something that you can just put in your pocket. Well, TOPTES reached out to me to do a review of this product. Hey, I've been looking for something that I can just hold in my hand and do a gas leak detector. Usually, I use soap bubble. Some people use matches. I'm not a fan of using matches, just for safety purposes. But my granddaddy, years ago, he used a match to find a natural gas leak. But I usually use soap bubbles. A product like this for HVAC, and we're about to enter the winter months of the cold season. So this product here should come in handy. But I am going to do a unboxing, and we're going to do I'm going to create a leak on this natural gas line, and we're going to see if this is going to sniff it out. If you are interested in this product, the link will be in the description below, and you can save some money on this product as well. All right, so this is your TOPTES PT210 combustible gas leak detector. It says that it does come with the batteries included. So we're going to do the unboxing. This is made in China. All right, so we're going to do the unboxing. Come in a nice sturdy box. All right, so this is how it looks. So we are going to take this out of the packaging, and yes, it does come with 2 AAA Duracell batteries. That's a plus. It looks like they take pride in their products. It come with, usually when you get product with name brand batteries, it is a good product. Look like it come with a nice little carrying case also. Carrying case feels good. That sticks right in there. And also, I'm just feeling the quality of this product. I can tell this is not cheaply made. It's not cheap plastic. It's very thick plastic. The buttons feel pretty firm and good. Because I'm just trying to compare it. And we know this product here is a good product, and it feels, it's a little bigger, but you can definitely fit this in your pocket to do some troubleshooting with it. I like to use the cargo, and it fits right there in my cargo pants, so I can definitely be able to use this on the go. All right, so the TOPTES PT210 gas leak detector is QC pass, so I guess that's quality control. It passed inspection. All right. So I guess this is where you put the batteries in. This comes right off. Okay. They say it comes with 2 Duracell batteries. Okay. We'll try sticking in here like this first. Screw the back on. See if we can power it up. Yep, powers right up. Come with a nice green back screen LED. So they say this is an audible and visual leak detector. And you can put it on high and low. So I guess when it does sniff gas, let's put it on low right now. When it sniff gas, you'll get an audible beep, and you'll get a visual leak detector. Like I say, so it is nice and firm. See if we can get some instructions on how to use. Okay, so I guess it just calibrated itself. When you first turn it on, it calibrates itself. All right. Nice green LEDs. So it seems like it has been calibrated. So it just calibrates itself. Okay, so I'm gonna read some instructions real quick. TOPTES PT210 is an efficient, handy, combustible gas leak detector that can accurately locate the gas leakage of various combustible gases, such as methane, natural gas, propane, liquefied petroleum gas, sewer gas, gasoline, etc. It is a small yet useful instrument for the toolbox. For example, it provides audible and visual in the preference of methane and concentration as low as 50 ppm. Visual alert. The bar graph on the screen is proportional to the gas concentration, and the screen background changes from green to red. So the screen, I guess the screen, so it said the screen background would turn from green to red. So when it locates gas, this background would turn red. That's another visual component. Okay, on low sensitivity, we got 500 to 1,000 parts per million. On high sensitivity, 50 to 500 parts per million. All right, so we're gonna do a test on it. So for me to do my test, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn this off right here. We're gonna go ahead and just turn it off. And we're going to undo it right here. So this real time, folks. All right, as you can see. All right. So the gas is off, but let's see. I got on low sensitivity. I'm gonna crack up. It already picked it up. This is a winner, folks. It already picked it up. Just a little turn. I'm gonna twist it some more. And I have the gas off, and it picked it up. There you go. So it passed it the first try. See, picking it up quite well, and I have the gas off. This is the fumes that's in the rest of it. As you can see, it did turn red also. I don't know if you caught that or not. If you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. If you use my referral link, it will save you on this product. This is TOPTES combustible gas leak detector. It is a go-to. You can put it right in your pocket or your tool bag, but it did find the leak right away. I can find a bunch of use cases for this, whether it be HVAC, water heaters, appliances. You find propane, etc., natural gas. It is a go-to, so I do highly recommend this product. So click on the link in the description below if you want to purchase this product, gas leak detector.